72% of people live paycheck to paycheck, not because they don't earn enough, because no one taught them how money actually works. I'm fixing that right now. Here's what no one explains. Active income stops when you stop. Sick day, no money. Vacation, no money. Fired, no money. You're trading time for money. And time always runs out. Passive income is different. You build the asset once, it pays you forever. That's what we're building today. Building $1,000 a month has 3 phases. Not 10, not 50, 3. Phase 1, pick your vehicle. Phase 2, build the asset. Phase 3, automate and stack. Most people fail at phase 1. They try 5 things at once, they master nothing. Pick one vehicle, commit. Period. Here are 3 passive income vehicles actually work for beginners. Number 1, digital products. Create once, sell forever. An ebook, a template, a mini course, 0 inventory, near 100% profit margin. Best for people with knowledge to share. Number 2, affiliate content. You recommend products, you earn commissions, YouTube, a blog, a newsletter, any platform. Best for people who can create content consistently. Number 3, dividend investing. You buy assets. Assets pay you every quarter. Best for people who already have some starting capital. Pick the one that fits your situation, not someone else's highlight reel. Your situation. If this is hitting, hit subscribe. Every week, I break down systems that build real wealth. No fluff, no hype, just the framework. Phase 2 is where most people quit because building takes time and slow results feel like failure. They're not. Every passive income asset has a build window. Digital products, 30 to 90 days. Affiliate content, 90 to 180 days. Dividend investing, months to years. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. This is a get-rich-right system. The work you do in month 1 pays you in month 6. Month 3 pays you in month 9. You're not working for today. You're working for your future self. That's what separates wealth builders from wage earners. Phase 3 is where passive income gets real. Automate everything you can. Email sequences, payment processors, schedulers. Remove yourself from the equation. Then you stack. Hit $100 a month, reinvest it, build another asset, hit $300, add a second income stream, hit $500, add a dividend position, stack, reinvest, repeat. That's how $1,000 a month stops being a goal and becomes your baseline. Here's the real truth. The system isn't broken, it's designed to keep you working forever. The only exit? Build assets that work without you. You don't need a trust fund, you don't need a business degree, you need a system, and now you have one. 3 phases, 1 vehicle, consistent execution. That's how you build $1,000 a month from zero. Escape the system. Build income that works for you. I post weekly videos on how you can better yourself financially. Subscribe so you don't miss them. The system is waiting. Start building.